girlfriend's daughter, who is 17. That's bigger than UCLA, isn't it?
Not by far, yeah. I think UCLA is like 40.
So she doesn't want to go like to a school up north or something, a different kind of climate?
No, she likes it here. She's like me.
She likes desert climate.
She likes desert, yeah. She was freezing. We were freezing when we were there because it was so cold.
In Arizona?
In Arizona, but it's cold here. It was like in Tucson, it was about 50.
And that's freezing to her.
Yes.
Okay.
Where'd you grow up?
Well, I'm from Chicago, but we moved out here when I was little. And that's, that's like a summer day
Yes. No, I'm from Michigan, so.
Oh, well, I don't have to tell you.
Mm-hmm. Where'd you go to college?
UC Santa Barbara for 1 year and UCLA for 3.
Oh, good for you. Those are great schools. She would go to those if she could get in, but.
UC Santa Barbara's great. It's a beautiful campus.
Why'd you switch to UCLA?
Because I was hyper at that age, and there just wasn't enough action.
Oh, really?
In Santa Barbara, it's quieter. I needed more stimulation.
Did you like UCLA?
Yeah, it was okay. They're completely opposite schools. So are we finding anything? Is it all scar tissue? No?
Maybe it is all scar tissue. It's got a little white center to it.
I'm sure it's been squeezed 1,000 times and it's old. My girlfriend's daughter, who is 17 going on 18, has applied to a whole bunch of schools as well this year. And she got a letter from University of Pennsylvania